Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are trying to run the SFC utility and you get a notification in the command line window that you must be an administrator running a console session in order to use the SFC utility. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now at this point, enter in the SFC utility. So it's going to type it in here. You guys should already have it down. Going to hit enter on my keyboard, and there should not be any error in here. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.